So I'll just wait for the 10 o'clock move here. Hopefully that takes us back up. Because I think that's the overall trend. I could be wrong because we're still respecting that 4 hour. Let's see how we interact with this 5-minute fair value gap. But I want to wait till 10. I want to see what 10 o'clock candle has in store. Bouncing strongly from that. Okay, nice. We didn't inverse it yet, which I like. I like for time to also come into play. If we want to inverse this iFVG, then I'll take that to the upside. Let's see here. $10 o'clock now. Okay. Put in a 10 o'clock 4 hour candle. Okay. That could just be another sweep. Okay. If we get the inversion, I'm in. Okay. Alright. I'm getting ready to get in. Once the candle closes, I'm in there. And
order filled.
I'm in these Russell longs here. Stop loss below this level. Looking for a nice. Let's push. Beautiful. Let's keep it pushing. Once we take out these, we move to break even here. So we've taken that out, so we can move to break even at this point. Let's keep it pushing. Beautiful. Can actually move to break even at this point. Move to break even. Hope it's not too. Matter of fact, I'll wait a little bit to move to break even. Okay, I'm moving to break even now. Stop loss is at break even. Stop loss is at break even. Risk-free trade here. Whatever happens, happens. Stop loss is at break even. Let's see what happens. Let's keep it pushing. Nice. Beautiful. Let's go. Guys, beautiful trade, man. Beautiful trade. Let's finish this thing up. I don't want us to inverse this here. Nice. Let's go. Boom. Hit it. Bam.
Filled.
And that is exactly how it's done. Coconut model. We've been killing it. Waited for our setup to happen, took that, and that is exactly how it's done. If you guys want to trade live with me, you already know what to do. Link is in the bio. Perfect banger trade. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this trading video, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you can be seeing more of these trading videos. Like this video, comment down in the comments what trade you took, how your trading journey is, whatever is going on with your trading journey, or what you think about this trade. Go down there and comment down in the comments. Let me know what you think about this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.